Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off shorts on YouTube. So guys, at first go to your YouTube. And guys, let me tell you something that there is no particular way to turn off these shorts settings. But you can do one thing, and that is just go to any shorts. And when you find the short sections here, usually about 4 or 5 different shorts. So if you want to turn off these shorts, then you have to tap on the three dot icon in the upper right side corner of each of the shorts. And if you select those shorts, then select not interested, and that time that short will disappear. And that's way you have to do this thing all of the shorts. And then there will be no longer shorts anywhere. So guys, I hope this method will help you a lot. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.